Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Evan Carthy from evancarthy.com. Today we are going to look at Exxon Mobil stock and why I think it is a great buying opportunity. Full disclosure here, I've been starting purchasing this stock over the past week, and I'll continue to do so if it goes lower than the current level, which is sitting at about $38.12. In this video, I'll go over why I think it is a great buy at this current time. So what we have right now, this is using the weekly time frame chart. So this trade is probably going to take a really long time for it to complete. Talking years here. So the main reason why I like it is, one, is Exxon, largest oil and gas company in the world. Oil and gas have been destroyed here recently, but the world still depends on oil and gas to keep it running. Yes, renewables are going to be a major player as the years goes on. Yes, they are going to have more growth than oil and gas, but that's because oil and gas is saturated the market. So it will still be a predominant player. It'll be interesting to see how ExxonMobil transitions or pivots and starts branching out, if they do decide to do so, to other types of energy sources. But for right now, I think it provides a great buying opportunity. And one of the reasons why, looking at right here, look at this. Currently where the price is, the dividend yield on Exxon is over 9%. That is just insane. Now, there has been rumors talking about they could cut their dividend or suspend it, depending on if the price of oil sticks around $30 or so. But for the time being at 9%, if they don't cut it, that is an amazing deal while you wait for this stock to turn around right here for the value for it. So the setup we have that we're looking at right now, it is my expanding triangle 78.6 setup. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos before, basically all that means is, hold on, I'm going to delete this line right here. There we go, get it more accurate. So what it means is we look for an expanding triangle, trading off the fourth point. 1, 2, 3, there's a higher high. Break this low right here, and here's the fourth point. So again, 1, 2, higher high 3, low low 4. So what we're looking for that is get that lower low of the fourth point, because we anticipate this move going up, hitting the fifth point, and at least breaking this previous high of 0.123 right there, of around $104.73. But the exit I do like looking for is the 1.272 Fibonacci extension level, which is $124.96. So what I look for is a deeper retracement to these moves right here, and so far ExxonMobil is setting this up very nicely. The top of this green line right here, that's box, that's the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level, and then the bottom of it is the 88.6 Fibonacci retracement level. So these are the two entry levels I look for to get into this. Typically my stop loss for this trade would be here, just under the 100%. So normally it'd be somewhere like probably around $26.50, something like that. But I'm not going to use a stop loss in this case, just because the odds of Exxon going out of business are about slim to none. So I don't think their stock is in any jeopardy of doing that, which is why I'm going to forego having a stop loss for this trade, because this is going to be a very, very long-term trade that we'll be investing in over time for it, especially if the price stays around these levels for a long time. So we have the 1, 2, 3, fourth point. It's hit between the 78.6 and 88.6 level. So what I'm looking for is the price to start moving back up over here, just start moving back up over time. And we'll look out probably taking some of my profit out around $106 when that fifth point gets created, because once it creates that fifth point, it doesn't necessarily have to go up and hit the 1.272 extension level. It does a lot of the time after it happens, but there's no reason not to lock in some of the profit when you get up here, especially if I've built a pretty decent sized position over here for my, based upon my account balance, and then let the rest try to hit up here at the $124 level here real quick. But that would change if price continues to go down lower. Currently it's right about here, $38.12, right around the 88.6 level. But if price does break this low right here, then what we'll look at doing is probably moving this down to a lower level right here, probably go down right there next, something like that, and that'd be the next level we'd be looking at. Then continue just get in as it goes lower and lower. Normally if I was trading this on like a futures or forex or something like that, this would be the stop loss level. I'd get out of it right there and reevaluate the trade, because obviously that wasn't the correct swing low. But in this case, for instance, since I'm definitely in it for the long haul, probably the next level I'd look for it would be right around there, and look for that low. So if price continue to go lower, $35, $25, definitely continue to get in more for it. But as you can see, this is kind of like the last major swing low point right here, where it went down some for it. So that's why I'm using that one right there. And price is currently bouncing off of the 88.6 level right here. Let's go over to the daily chart to see a little bit better what I'm talking about here. So in the daily chart, you can see price pretty much just been straight through fall. I mean, you got gaps here and all this stuff. I mean, it's just crazy how this stock's just been battered. Came down, it hit it. Now it's in the 88.6 level. Found just a tad bit support there for it. So we'll see what happens there in the future. There's definitely rumblings that the price of oil is going to crater more with the coronavirus going on, and pretty much the whole world coming to a standstill. No one's traveling, no one's doing much business out there, manufacturing, all that kind of stuff, everything that goes into it. So yeah, there's going to be a big supply of oil, and so probably we haven't seen the end of oil. And if you'd like to see oil here real quick, I'll tell you what, I'll go on oil here real quick, because there is kind of a doomsday scenario for it. But that is Exxon right there, why I'm in it for the long haul, why I think it's great value at this trade level, and showed you my exit levels I'm looking for, and currently entry levels right around here, $38.12. And then if it continues to go down lower, I'll move this Fibonacci anchor point bottom down there, and so that would move the overall 1.272 just slightly up from about 124 to 129. But I'll continue to get in, because like I said, I consider this is going to be a very, very, very long-term investment. It's probably a multi-year investment, but with the dividend at over 9% at the current time, it's definitely worth it to pick up that dividend. Let the trade just marinate, and then when it eventually starts going up, make a very nice return off the profit for it. So oil here real quick, because obviously this is tied to Exxon here. There is a kind of doomsday scenario. We have, let's go to the weekly chart here. So in the super long term chart right here, this is the anchor point high right here, swing point low. See price come up here, hit the 78.6 level, 88.6 level. Let me draw the Fibonacci retracement level on it. Yeah, there you go. See, it fits it perfectly. Now price has come down over here. So what this could be over here is it could end up being around $9 a barrel. There was an article I read earlier this week where they were projecting around $10 a barrel if all these crazy things happen in the market, and it was kind of interesting, because this over here, there's the box I have down right over here from it, which is around $10.25. So again, worst case scenario, I mean, when's the last time it was $10? It was around, when's this, December of '98. So over, what's that, 22 years ago, just about. That's just insane for it. So that setup is valid right there for it. Just a 70.6 retracement. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, going on the 4th point, something like that. But I won't go into it full. Then you also have this one right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Looking to go down to the 5th point right over here, which is using this pivot right there. Or where was it? I don't remember. But anyways, I didn't mean to even go over this right now today. But that's oil. Anyways, buy Exxon. That's what I'm doing. And this isn't financial recommendations or advice. It's just my opinion, and that's currently what I'm doing in the market. All right, take care. Have a good one. Bye.